Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? As you might see here, I'm here with another unboxing. It's the second one in a row. It's the time of the month that I'm getting the stuff that I ordered. We're gonna see here what I have ordered. I have ordered some stuff from SAS store or Scandinavian Airlines. Scandinavian Airlines Hero shop that I can get some extra miles. You might see here that I got some Ray-Ban glasses. It is my second pair, but the reason that I ordered this one is I'm actually going to give this away as a present. This is how they look like. I'm gonna actually give this one away to my brother for his birthday, which is next month. And here's the casing of it. And I actually got another thing in here. Well, this one is kind of heavy. Is there a way to open this one though? Whoa! Got a huge got a multi-tool thing going on here. It is kind of heavy, so I might gonna show this in a later video. But that's how it looked like. And I hope you like the unboxing. You can give it a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.